Hello, it's Grayson with Ramen KG TV. When cars get old, the sun, rain, and snow can have a huge impact on the appearance, especially the paint. And my WRX is no exception. Earlier years of this car are known to have super bad paint. It chips easily and it fades easily. So I just wanted to talk about just kind of taking proper care of your car. Now, you don't need to wash and wax your car every day, and it doesn't just make your car look nice, but it really protects the paint. Because you don't really think about it, but you're always taking your car different places, and it's almost always outside. So really protecting the paint, really going that extra mile to make sure it's protected can save you from the paint even rusting, which is a lot more expensive than just little things like maintaining it. And so I just wanted to basically show you about removing faded paint, which is really bad on the roof and as well as the back of my car. I just wanted to remove a lot of the faded paint areas on my car, and it's actually pretty simple. First, you want to make sure your car is clean. You don't want to rub any dirt into the paint. Then use a buffer with rubbing compound until the paint is smooth. Now after going through and trying to polish out and buff all of the rough paint spots on my car, it actually turns out that it was so badly worn away by the sun and the elements that if I were to try and buff it all out, that would just do more damage than good at this point. Eventually I am looking forward to doing a paint job, complete new paint job on the car, because the paint is so bad throughout the car, as I explained earlier. And just really goes to emphasize that if you want the things that you care about to last, just take care of them. But until next time, bye. Yogurt.
Oh!